Gently now, dear. This will help it grow.
Like this, Mommy.
That's perfect, my love.
Yay, it's growing.
What a beautiful day to garden together, sweetie.
Yes, Mommy, this is so much fun.
You're doing a wonderful job. Look how beautifully our trees are growing.
They're so fun.
You did a wonderful job, my little gardener. Let's get these weeds, sweetie.
Okay, Mommy, they're coming out.
Good job, little one. Look, sweetie, our first apples.
Yay! High five, Mommy. We did it. More apples soon. Wow, Mommy.
An apple.
Yes, sweetie. It's so shiny.
Good job.
Time to get to work. This little sack will be full soon enough. This apple outline is the key to my plan. Perfect. Now to wait for the right moment.
Time to sleep, my little one.
But I'm not tired.
Shh, close your eyes.
The sack is full.
Oh, my little one, what's wrong? Shh, it's okay. Mommy's here.
Okay, Mommy.
Hello? I need help.
Hi, doggies. Want to play?
Huh? Who's calling?
It's me, the kitten.
My phone's buzzing too. Standing here makes me feel at peace.
Yeah, a nice break from our usual grind.
Don't worry, we are found thief this night.
Whoa! The tree is tilting! Hang on! Don't let go now! I can't fall now!
You're ours now, thief.
No! Let me go!
Not a chance.
Let me go! I didn't mean it!
You're not going anywhere, thief.
Please, it hurts!
You big bully!
Yeah, you tell him, kid.
This isn't over! Hello, police? I'm the kid detective. Officer, I saw the whole thing.
Go on, I'm listening.
He ran that way really fast.
You're under arrest.
Hey! I'm already tied up!
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you.
Understood, officer.
Let's go. You're under arrest.
You got me this time, officer.
Get in the car. Now.
Big hug!
Whoa there, little one.
All right, kiddo.
Local heroes catch the orchard thief. We saw the thief and took action. Thanks to their efforts, the thief is in custody.
I brought the apple juice I made from our saved apples. A celebration drink for everyone! Look at this beautiful apple pie made with our homegrown apples. The steam is rising, so it's just perfect.
Yummy! We picked the best apples.
I'm glad, sweetie, you worked so hard.
Thanks, Mommy. For you, heroes.
Wow, a thank you card. We're heroes.
You are.
Thank you.
Look, the news about my award.
Wow, that's so cool.
You look so brave in the picture.
Thanks.
Let's tie it gently, sweetie.
Okay, Mommy, I'm helping.
Now perp.
Yay!
Let's water our tree, sweetie.
Okay, Mommy, it's getting better.
Yes, just like our bond.
Time to clean up the leaves. This is so much fun. All clean now.
Time to finish this little helper. All done. Now you'll remind me to pick those apples.
Hee hee! Look, a scarecrow in Thief's colors. Ha ha ha! Yay! The sun is so bright.
It is, sweetie, and so are you.
I love you, Mommy.
Hello, just checking in on everyone.
Officer, please come in for some pie.
Thank you, I'd love some.
Look, my police car.
Wow, that's cool. Can I see?
Okay, here.
All right, you're under arrest.
Once, a brave kitten and his dog friends caught a sneaky fox.
A fox.
Yes, and they were very brave.
It's cold.
Hold still, sweetie. Almost done.
Okay, Mommy. Okay, friends, let's play bodybuilder dogs.
Yeah, we'll be the strongest. Ruff, look at these muscles.
My turn. Grr, so strong.
Let's put your drawing on the fridge, sweetie.
Is this done?
My best kitten in the world.
I love it.
Delivery for you, a new garden bench. It's a gift from the grateful community.
Look, Mommy, my apple patch.
Yes, sweetie, I sewed it on just for you.
I love it. Hi, postman. Any mail for me?
You bet, a postcard from the beach.
Wow, look at those muscles. So cool. One twig here, one leaf gym is ready for you. Time to exercise.
Ready, sweetie?
Yes, Mommy, I'm ready.
Perfect. Our tree is so full of life.
Mom, look, the tree is all wet.
It is, sweetie. The rain was good for it.
Can we check it? Mom, look, a four-leaf clover.
Oh, how wonderful, sweetie.
Meow like run. Whoa, easy does it. Yay, we're here.
These apples look wonderful. Here you go.
Thank you, they're the best.
You're welcome, little one.
Bye-bye. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. See you.
Wow, I sold almost all my apples. Bye-bye, town. We're going home. Look at the fields, so pretty. Bye-bye, town. We're going home. Look at the fields, so pretty.
I've got this.
Shh, it's okay. I'm here to help.
Thank you. I'm so scared.
Don't worry, help is coming.
It's okay, little one. I'm here. It hurts. I know. I'll help.
Hang in there, little one. We're here to help. Let's get you checked out safely.
Okay, thank you.
You're very brave.
Here we go. Yay, lights! We're here. All parked safe and sound.
Oh, my little one, are you all right?
Oh, my little one, come here.
Mommy.
Shh, it's all right now. Mommy's got you. There you go, all wrapped up and warm.
Thank you, Mommy.
Now, how about some hot chocolate?
Mommy, I went to the market, and then a big storm came, but a little panda helped me. Mom, I was really brave today.
Oh, my sweet kitten, tell me everything.
I climbed the big tree and got the toy.
You're not just hardworking, you're very brave and kind.
Hi, I'm here. thank you for playing.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. A card and a shiny apple. Yay! Welcome to my orchard, Panda. I love it here.
Wow, it's so pretty. Show me around.
Sure, look at all the apples.
Hello, I brought fresh biscuits.
Wow, thank you.
They look wonderful.
Enjoy.
Let's play tag, Panda. Okay, you're it. Can't catch me.
Yes, I can.
Look, a perfect apple. Here, a gift for you.
Oh, thank you. It's beautiful.
Thank you for being my friend.
I'm so happy we're friends.
Me too.
Bye, Panda. See you later.
Bye.
I'll miss you.
Me too. Let's play again soon.
Promise.
All right, sweetie, ready to help make the pie?
Yes, Mommy. I love helping.
Good job. Now the flour.
Okay. I promise to be the best little kitten I can be.